Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Covington County School Superintendent Mr. Shannon Driver, Straughn High School Principal Mr. Matt Cobb, and Straughn Middle School Principal Ms. Cassandra Anderson, please welcome the Straughn High School Sound the Gold Marching Band under the command of Drum Major Lauren Wood. Tonight we bring the past to the future as we celebrate the greatest hits of days gone by for the Sound of Gold. Selections include Back to the Future, Carry On My Wayward Son, Wipeout, and Any Way You Want. Drum Major Lauren Wood, is your band ready? Ladies and gentlemen, sit back and relax. Here's the Sound of Gold! Ladies and gentlemen, the Sound